Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Saleha Hassan and I'm heading the sales and the marketing department at Dewan. I have a very exciting news to share with all of you. For the very first time, Dewan has assembled an electric hatchback car with the name of Honri VE 2.0 and 3.0. Now, potent question arises that why bring in an electric hatchback? The answer to that is that we want to uplift the lifestyle of people in Pakistan. Secondly, we want people to save more. And thirdly, we want a cleaner and greener Pakistan for everyone. Innovation has always been a forte at Dewan. So here we go again and write history in the golden words. To bring this dream into reality, we have combined the international expertise with our local talent and brought the cutting-edge technology to all the common people in Pakistan. It is more than just a car. It's a shift. It's a change for everyone. EV technology is no more a distant reality in Pakistan. It is here, it is affordable, and it is taking us towards a cleaner and greener future.